Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Odi here, and today is November. So today is October 31st, and of course Halloween. Yeah, and tonight we will do something new, something different, and I don't know, something special maybe, but I don't think this is something special. But since it's a Halloween, for sure you already have an idea or what am I planning to do. Yes, you're right, and I'm planning to make a makeup Halloween tutorial. Yeah, tutorial. I don't know if I can say that this is a Halloween makeup tutorial. So this is something new. I never done this before. I will try my best na magmukhang nakakatakot. I'm planning to put something on my face, like a zombie thing. I think zombie makeup is the best thing for me to do, and it's much easier. No need for you to, how to say, to emphasize and balance the makeup thing and everything. Or yeah. So without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. Okay, so first we are going to tie my hair para at least hindi siya masama habang nagme-makeup tayo. Put something there. Yeah, like that. Okay. And guys, I'm gonna use this one. This is Garnier Skin Natural. This is a clay. So, I'm gonna use this one kasi dumidikit siya sa mukha and white siya. Hindi ko na kailangan na mag-makeup ng how to say, powder or anything. Just this one. So, okay. Hindi na ako maghihilamos kasi lilinisin ko rin naman yan mamaya. Para very quick. Ipapahid na lang natin yung clay. Oh my, it's cold.
Oy.
Meron bang zombie na maayos ang kilay? Parang wala naman, di ba? Kita niyo ba guys, pag natuyo siya, parang nang sinemento mo. Ayan. Medyo patuyuin lang natin ng konti. And then, gagamit tayo guys ng powder para umantay siya. Ito gagamitin natin, and of course brush. Ayan, maglagay lang tayo dito. And tap lang natin siya para pantay. Ayan, sampal na natin yung cup. Para hindi sayang. Gamit na tayo ng makeup. Ang gagamitin natin is ganito guys. Ito makeup talaga to. Tinanggal ko na siya sa box kasi nasira na yung lalagyan niya. Nabasag. Hindi ko naman siya nagagamit. So, ito yung gagamitin natin pang makeup. Okay. Dahil zombie nga yung gagawin natin, kailangan yung kulay niya is medyo, show you. Ayan. Ma-blue, green, and ma-dark. Okay. So, let's start. Grayish. Kamay na lang gagamitin ko, guys. Pero kung meron kayong pang makeup, pwede din. Mas mabilis. Mas mabilis nga pagka ganito yung gamit. Yeah, sabi ko naman sa'yo eh. Guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist. Hindi nga ako nagme-makeup sa sarili ko ng mga eyeshadow. Kasi hindi ako marunong sa sarili ko, guys. din natin ito kung ano magiging itsura ko nito mamaya. Parehos. Siyempre, kailangan meron ding contour. Hindi dapat contour ang momo. Zombie. Yan. Don't look!
Huh? Okay. What are you, zombie?
Dagan pa natin para mas magandang tingnan. Maganda pa ba ito? Hindi na nga maganda ito eh. May maganda bang zombie? Parang wala namang magandang zombie, di ba? Zombie nga. Yan. Okay guys, nakapunay tayo ng contact lenses. Yung kamay ko din, ganun pa rin tsura niya. Dapat pala medyo dinar ko ng konti para ayan. So ayan na. And gagamitin na natin ito guys. Open lang natin. Ito yung sticker. Tattoo pala siya. Putik. Lagay muna natin siya. This is a fake blood caps. Ano ka? Takot na itsura niya. Kasi tanggal natin yung nasa ulo natin. Ayan. Tapos ito ilalagay natin guys. Para magmukhang gray yung ating hair. Pinalulan mo. Guys, parang hindi ko na nakilala yung sarili ko. Eto na. My gosh. Ito ko hindi ko nakilala yung sarili ko. Look, oh my goodness. Takotin na natin ito. Pero bago yan, mag-isag muna tayo ng panaklog. Tingnan natin kung anong magiging reaction nito. ang pangit ng reaction nito. Parang hindi naman siya masyadong natakot. But yeah, effective. Siguro sabi nga niya, if it's not Halloween, probably yung mga tao magre-react talaga na nakakatakot. But yeah, okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you do like this video, and please hit subscribe na rin. Thank you for tuning in to my channel, and see you again next time. Happy Halloween, guys. Bye bye.